What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley with SplashTV. This is episode 15. We're going to be talking about this BOXYCHARM. I'm going to go over April, May, and June. I've been letting these boxes stack up. Do y'all see this? Horrible. And here's the other one. Without further ado, we're going to hop right into it. We're going to not make this video as lengthy, so we're just going to zoom through it. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. I'll go over the cart after I review the items, just so that there's no confusion on anything. The first thing that I have in my hands is this Qveen Cosmetics. This is so sleek. This is really ideal. This is exactly how I would want my eyeshadow palette to look. This is day and night. My name is Ashley. Of course, I am the CEO and owner and founder of SplashAffects.com. It's a Splash Effects by Ashley. I sell cosmetics. I sell both lippies, I sell lashes. I'm soon to add merch, and I have some other things going on as well, but I can't spill all that tea right now, y'all know. But this is what the colors look like. Very cute, very sleek. I'm just gonna test this one, Stella, right here. I'm just gonna swatch it. It's very light and very pretty. I feel like you can build those up. They do have some cute colors you could play with. But yeah, this was valued at $52, guys. $52, as you can see right here. I don't know, I haven't used it, but just by the look of things, I don't know if I had better ones. The next thing that I have in my hand, guys, this box, April box, didn't come with much. I got this tart shape tape. It's a glow wand and it looks like this. It's a dual set. It has the dual set like this, and it also has the spongy thingy at the other end. I did try to use it. This is the color AURORA. It's not really I thought it was like maybe full coverage, but it's not. Very, very sheer. You see how that blended in so well? I don't know if it's buildable or not. It's very sheer. That's why it's called glow tape. The price for that was $27. So the next one, this is the, let's see, the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. This valued MSRP for $30, guys. This is what it looks like. I love the color. First off, it's cute and everything. Let's look at the brushes. That's what counts, right? So they're very, very soft, and it is brushes that I can use. Have a couple crease brushes. Brushes, however, do not say what they are for, which is okay, but for $30, I think I've had better. Sorry. But yeah, they just say Lavish on all of them, like this one. And they all, you barely could see it. There it is, but they all say the same thing. So 5 for $30. They have vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle, dramatic look. Okay, yes, everybody is going vegan, but that don't mean up your prices like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times as everyone else. I know a lot of vegan owners, specifically with brushes, that are not that expensive. Next thing that I have is this Tristique brow pencil. You guys, this is a brow pencil and it's a brow gel. This is the brow gel on one end, just like this. That's nice. They never disappoint, you guys. They never like disappoint ever. And this is, I've been using it a little bit, as y'all can see my makeup right there. But this is the Tristique Mocha, so in the color Mocha. This was valued at $26. Yes, I have paid for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've paid like however much that pencil cost, what, 24, 36, I don't know, but I paid it and it was not worth it. So yeah, I would say this is definitely worth it. Tristique is one of the better brands. I'm still using their mascara. It's really, really good. I told you guys I will update you. Well, guess what, honey? It's almost gone. You can't see in there, but I've been using the mess out of this. This is so good, guys. You guys need to really do your homework and look them up. The next thing that we're going to have in the next box for May, the first thing is this AURORA Earth Harbor Superfood Luminance Cannabis Hemp and Green Seed Oil. This is what it looks like. I have been using it, and yes, it is good. It looks just like this. As you can see, I've used a little bit of it, but it is cruelty free. It's vegan free. This is the 6 millimeters. It's supposed to leave your face like really smooth, which it does. I can vouch for that, you guys. It is good when it comes to that. The ingredients are grapeseed, which I love. It has jojoba oil, guys, avocado, fruit oil, seaweed, sunflower, and neem, rosemary, all of the good stuff that you need for your skin. So this is really good. I love it, and I'm gonna continue to use this. And if I like it a lot, I'll buy more. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was regularly priced $32, so not bad, right? All right, moving on to the next thing. We have this, not sure how to pronounce this, but we're gonna do the best that we can, guys, the best that we can. This is a Terre de Mars. I'm not sure, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's a body cleanser. This is an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. It's infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts and fusion with verbena oil. I've never heard of verbena oil, but I'll look it up. Maybe it's good. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. So this may be a good thing to check into. It's cruelty free. I have not tried this one. I just kind of left it in my box. Fruit oil, glycerin, rosemary, leaf extract. We're gonna just smell it, guys. Oops. It smells earthy. Probably definitely worth trying. I love body wash, so I'm looking forward to that. This was valued at $22, guys. $22. This is what it looks like. Again, their name is Terre de Mars. It's the 008 Radition Body Cleanser. They do have a social media and also a website as well. Moving on to the next. So the next thing that I have in my hand is this Illuminati Cosmetics. It's a liquid Luxe lip gloss. You know I love lip glosses. This is what it looks like. So pretty, so gorgeous. It's almost like the Louboutin lip gloss that they want like what, $80 for, I think. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has Illuminati Luxe lip gloss on it. That is so cute. I was gonna get tubes like these, but then I thought no. But yeah, it's so pretty on, guys. It's iridescent. You know I already had to break that seal, honey. I sure did. I have like a million lip glosses over here I need to get rid of and try to declutter some of this mess that I have going on over here with this cosmetic stuff. But yeah, honey, I'm doing the best that I can. Thebomb.com, y'all. You don't even need a lot of this. So yeah, $21. That's pretty good for a good lip gloss. I would pay $20, definitely. The 5 eyeshadow palette. It's very sleek, and you could definitely work with those colors. As you can see, I swatched that yellow to see how loud it would be. It's pretty cute. That black is everything to live for. Yes, I will be using that and all of these colors as well. So this was a good palette. This was regularly priced $48. If y'all want me to update y'all on it, I will, no problem. Moving on to the last but not least of the May box. This is the Mally Beauty. This is the Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. That's what it's called. It's called the Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. I don't know why that's funny. Okay, but anyways, this is the Mally. This is how it looks, just like this. Very clean, sleek. I love it, whatever. And it's an eyeshadow, guys. I'm not going to put it on my eyes, but I am going to swatch it here. Ooh, that's so pretty on a little light day. Just cute. La 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 la. Cute to wear, not too much, not too heavy, not too light. You feel me? So yeah, that's good. I like that. I'll be checking her out as well. That is valued, this stick here, $25. So the last and final box that I have in my hand right now, here it is. I have this BOXYCHARM card, and the first thing that I noticed is this Lala, Give Them Lala Beauty. This is so like dope, you guys. I almost thought for a second that this was Lala, Carmelo Anthony ex-wife, because it looks just like her, and I'm like, I didn't know she had a damn brand. I looked it up. I said, no, that ain't her. but it damn sure can pass for her, honey. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute, sleek, all of that. This is the Grom Woman palette. I love it. And you know, I had to open it, you guys. And I love her colors. These are so dope. It reminds me of Julia's palettes. So some of hers are Stepmom, The Wife, Boss Lady, Princess of Bel-Air, Cabo Kisses, Say Yes, I Do, The Ring, and Bridal Party. So you guys, I'm just gonna swatch that orange in the middle. And I'm gonna say that it's not as pigmented as some others that I've swatched. But let's just see the prices and let that determine everything. So the price for that was actually $42, guys. For that, I don't know if I would pay $42 for this. Just swatching this gold right here. This is the I Do one. So that gold is gorgeous. You know, you just probably have to play with it and stack it on. Definitely, I'm gonna tap into, you know, and look into what she has, more items. So the next thing that we have is this Holy Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. And I have used like one of their products, I believe. This is by Pharmacy. This is what the packaging looks like. And they are retailed for $48. I'm gonna just open this. So it's synthetic, fragrance free, it's mineral oil free, paraben free, cruelty free, of course. You apply to your face or targeted areas for moisturizer, AM and PM. Or you can also put this in your hair, guys. Blend it with your foundation, afterglow. So this is like an all-in-one, pretty much, moisturizer slash oil. So pretty. Let's see how it smells. They tried. They really did. And that might be good while y'all playing. I'm definitely gonna tap in. And it's a thicker oil as well. So I definitely am going to let y'all know. Look at that. Feels amazing. So the ingredients are in here are pretty much all natural, and I'm liking that so far. This is made exclusively for BOXYCHARM. So I'm assuming if they have a website, I'm sure pharmacy.com, and that's with an F. I've used a product before and it wasn't too bad. I don't really remember the end result, but I'm definitely gonna try this, honey, especially in my hair. This is good. They said for flyaways and stuff like that, it's perfect for summer. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated if you want me to. Second to last is this Hollywood, California Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So this is what it looks like, you know. Ooh, that's really, really clammy or whatever. I love the name. I love the look, matches the name. What you want to do is squeeze a generous amount into your hands. You add warm water and rub together, and you create a foaming lather. You apply to a dry face, massage evenly, circular motions, rinse well, pat dry, use daily as desired. Do not use as a mask. So when they tell you don't do something, it's for a reason. I'm thinking it's because of the ingredients. Of course, it has a seal. Ooh, very minty. I got just like a whiff of menthol right now. So it really doesn't really have it has a minty smell for those who love mint. It says it has a triple charcoal complex. So that I know for a fact is for your face, so for sensitive skin. This is supposed to be oil fighting, mattifying, and clarifying. So it's like a 3-in-1, as they said. It's a pore refining, so it's supposed to close your pores and help to get that more flawless look. So yeah, I'll definitely try this, especially at night when washing makeup off, like tonight probably. And then I'm gonna go in with my witch hazel that I always do, and then of course a night cream. But this is a 5 ounce. This is $32. This is what it looks like. Again, their name is Glam Glow. If you guys want to look that up, it's glamglow.com. This is a super cleanse clearing cream to foam cleanser. Last but not least, this is the Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. Now, I've never seen 2-in-1 like this. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's vegan, cruelty, and safety tested. You guys, this was made in the US. This was a total of $34. Back to this Plumping and Eye Serum. I'm going to open it. This is True and Luxurious. This is by Beverly Hills Distributor. This is kind of fancy, guys. I'm loving it. This is how it goes right here. You can, first of all, it doesn't have a smell. Hopefully my lips don't burn. This is the Plumping and Eye Serum. As you can see, you guys, it doesn't really have a smell. This is the flower dose. It's very, very cute packaging. I love it. It's sleek. Woo, it is starting to burn a little bit. This is the 0.5 fluid ounce, guys. Again, this is what it looks like. It's vegan free. Yeah, it's starting to calm down now. It has vitamin C in it. It also has rose and fruit extracts in it as well. It plumps the eyes, and it's a multitasking formula. Guys, it says Good Clean Glam. If you want to look them up, that is their name, True and Luxurious. That concludes episode 15, you guys, of my BOXYCHARM. Thanks for hanging with me. I really, really appreciate it. I have more content. I have more products. I have more everything on the way. Let me know in the comments what you'd like for me to review. Thank you, and until next time, guys, it's always love. Peace.